Well, absolutely clear. The minorities in the country have been facing tremendous amount of violence. They cannot even assemble. I mean, if you assemble in Chittagong, as we have seen in the case of Chinmay Prabhu, that he has been put in jail and he has been in jail since 24th November under trumped up charges last year. And his only fault was to organize a rally of the Hindu minorities at Lal Digi Maidan. And in the Chittagong hill tracts of Bangladesh, each time you organize a rally of just peaceful protest seeking justice for the victims, you are shot dead by the Bangladesh security forces. I think what we have to keep in mind is that this is something which was there from the beginning. I do not know how the government of India had reacted. I think the moment the government of India, this interim government came to power, we have to realize that certain individuals who were already convicted as terrorists, they were released by the government of Bangladesh. So even if you look at it, whether it's Jasimuddin Rabbani, known Al Qaeda leader, Lutfuruzzaman Babar, who was convicted for carrying these 10 trucks of weapons which are meant to come to India. So you could see the policy of this interim government, which are completely against India. And if you look the reports and follow up the reports, in fact, 2 days back, there was a report in a newspaper saying that the Bangladesh government and the intelligence agencies of Bangladesh, they have invited Paresh Barua to be in Dhaka. And as per the sources, he is reportedly in Dhaka at this point of time. And these are activities which the government of India should have taken note of very seriously, because you are reopening the entire insurgency which was there in the beginning of this millennium. So the government of Bangladesh is continuing these policies. I think we have to be very clear that there is security risk. And whatever Hassan Abdullah had said, that we will shelter the insurgents from Northeast India, they were already present there in Dhaka. So he was privy to certain information, being a young kid, and he was carried away. So he spoke the truth. So it wasn't a threat. It was already being implemented. So I think beyond summoning of the Bangladesh High Commissioner, I think it's essential for us to recognize this fact that this government, the interim government of Bangladesh, not only wants to rewrite the history, they want to destroy whatever relationship they have with the government of India. So Hasina is only an excuse. So that's why I would say that I think we have to be very careful in terms of dealing with the government of Bangladesh. I think anybody in the Ministry of External Affairs hopes that, there is still scope for some kind of meeting grounds between the interim government and the government of India. I don't think it exists or it shall exist till this regime in any manner is removed from Dhaka. Till they are there, we can be completely certain that they are going to threaten the regional peace and security and attack India from the eastern part. And I would say that, eastern India, that eastern front has become much more challenging than the western front.